Oh hi, this is Ronnie, and I'm here to talk about the flight ukulele NUS350, the Dreamcatcher edition. Uh, Leigh Music Factory is kind enough to send me this ukulele here for me to test it out, and I'll do an unboxing and quick review so that you guys would know whether it's the right ukulele for you. It's a soprano ukulele and costs around $110 from Leigh Music Factory. Put the link in the description below. Comes with this box support here, and you can see it comes with a padded bag with not just one but two shoulder straps here. And I'll open the ukulele in a while. The box also comes with stickers and also the flight booklet here featuring Elise Auckland. It also comes with the flight chords and the strumming patterns. Now the actual ukulele looks like this. The bag actually is a padded bag, so it's quite a good support.
It has that pocket here, so you can put your stuff.
Right. As I mentioned, this is a Soprano ukulele. It features the flight logo on the headstock, geared tuners, so it'll stay tuned for a long time. The neck is African Okome. The fretboard is walnut. The nut is bone. And you can see on the board there, it's an engraved Dreamcatcher design. The saddle is walnut, I believe. And the wood itself is sapel wood, which is a relative of mahogany. It's arched back as well. Even comes with pin there to put on your ukulele strap, just one, so you could hang the other end on the neck, which is good. This is quite handy. Gorgeous design, and I believe this is engraving. Alright, I'll tune this ukulele now. It hasn't been tuned at all, and I'm using a tuner this time. Okay, after a couple of minutes trying to tune this soprano ukulele, I was able to tune it with GCEA format, and it sounds like this. It's pretty nice, right? So there you have it. The ukulele soprano Dreamcatcher NUS350 edition. Now for a quick demonstration and review of how it plays out. Sounds pretty good actually. Once you got it tuned, works pretty fine. Hear that tone? So this is quite an investment, but will bring you joy in playing the ukulele. My suggestion is not to invest in those cheap ukuleles because they're hard to tune and the tune would not stay in place. Some artists actually trusts the Flight brand, and this one came from Leigh Music Factory in Melbourne, and they deliver everywhere. For $110, invest in a better quality ukulele. Thank you for watching.